Hey there, today we're going to look at how to transfer money from Safepal to a bank account. So let's get started. First, open your Safepal app and register for the Fiat24 bank account. Over here, you can check your card details, learn how to make deposits, exchange currencies, and also make intra-bank transfers. After that, launch your Safepal app and go to the MasterCard homepage. Then select the Transfer tab and tap on Payout. Choose the account you want to transfer from, enter the amount, and tap Next. Then select the currency and the recipient account for your payout transfer and click Confirm. Then, to add payout accounts, you can only select recipients from your contacts list. To add a new one, you'll need to first make a deposit into your Fiat24 account from that specific bank account. Over here, tap Deposit on the bank main page, then select Bank Wire and choose the fiat currency you want to use. Use the displayed IBAN details to make the transfer. Once it's done, that bank account will automatically appear in your contacts list for future transfers. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next